Norwich Swap Meet. Looking for Hot Wheels. Looking for car parts. Official pace car. I don't remember. Yeah, Fiero being a pace car? I don't know. Yeah, it's got a small block Chevy in it though, not the... Huh, doesn't say.
72,000 miles.
Yeah. Been in storage for quite a while.
Only one family owner.
Yeah.
13 that work.
Wow. Those fender walls? No, those are D600s. Holy moly. Yeah. Ooh. 40 Ford front end maybe?
A little fixer upper.
Hey, parts. Parts is parts. Got yourself some hubcaps here. Yeah, you don't want to walk in the mud, huh? That old tin stuff. A what, baby? Oh yeah, huh? No. Yeah, kinda. Yeah. Ooh. Looks like a set of radar wheels there.
The dog is very friendly.
Still, you walk.
Says you can scratch my belly.
You're gonna walk in. You're gonna demonstrate or something.
The chiropractor.
What?
You don't have to let you put the car up on you. I'm gonna try this week.
One over here.
Put it up on the web.
Everybody over the one
Ooh, I see some aluminum heads over there. Well, it's starting to rain. Of course, Tina's got the umbrella out there. Where are you, baby? There you are.
Hi.
Hey. And everybody's cars getting all wet. Anybody got any Hot Wheels out there getting all wet? Oh, some old stock cars out there. All kinds of cool parts. Lots of cool parts. Lots of old rock and roll being played. Yeah. You got yourself some of them there motorcycles. We're gonna... I think we're going the wrong way there, Drone.
No, I thought we were leaving.
No, we're gonna go this way. Back that way, they got more stuff.
I thought we were leaving.
No, we're not leaving.
Leaving.
Well, so what? What do you mean? So what, you got yourself an umbrella there. See, like I said, it's all rock and roll and rain and mud and everybody pushing babies and strollers.
Oh yeah.
And I got a whole bag full of cool stuff. Met one of my Facebook friends, Sharky. Real cool guy. And gave me some good stuff. Gave me some good deals. And I want to thank Sharky on that. So we're gonna look around some more and see if we can find something. Oh, there's the kids calling. Alright, well, we're back from the Norwich car show and flea market and all that, and I want to show you some of the stuff that we got. One of my favorites, and this is a 2-pack that you don't see that often, and they wanted $9 for it, and actually the guy said half price, so for $50 I gave him $5, so I'm very happy with that. And any of you Blackwall guys know how hard those are to get, so very happy. And something else too, the Archie series comic books back in the day, 15 cents, 10 cents, 12 cents, a lot of them had Hot Wheels advertising on the back cover, and sometimes they had them on the inside cover. This one doesn't, but it does have it on the back cover. And what I like to do with these is I either cut the back page off or just put the whole comic book in a frame and put it on my wall. Here is some of the pieces that I got. Now we had a chance to meet some old friends, some people that we've only met on Facebook, and one of them is my buddy Sharky, who lives out that way in Norwich, which is down by Binghamton, New York, Norwich, New York. So I got this from Sharky, and I got that, and I got that. And what else did we get from Sharky? We got this here. Now, I know a lot of you guys have been getting into the color changers, and so have I. So here is a really nice 55 Chevy color changer. And what else? We got this from Sharky. And we got this from Sharky. And what else we got? Another color changer. And oh, I guess Sharky must have thrown that one in there. Thanks, buddy. And let's see. I think that's. No, we got this one, the Getty Camaro, and a Getty Ferrari with Ultra Hots on it. Oh, I guess Sharky threw that in too. Look at that. Alright. And I'm gonna say that's it from Sharky. Now, the other pieces I got were from another guy that I met, and let's see, we move all these things out the way. It's a real nice clean black wall there. And never did get this one loose, but here it is. And redline definitely needs some tender love and care. And a Cadillac, which by the way, you know, if you found this, actually I just got this for my birthday from Tina, and Aaron Beacom had it, sold it to me in the package, number 50, and so I finally did get that for my collector numbers. Like I said, Tina got me that for my birthday. So, and got this with the different headlight variation, and of course picked this up. It's not a Hot Wheel, it is a Fast 111s by Kenner. I've been seeing these here and there, and you know, I always end up with a bunch of them when I buy or get a collection at a garage sale or whatever, and I've just started picking them up. They're, you know, not that popular, but I think they're kind of cool. Well, that's it for the Norwich show, and we had a great time. It did rain a little bit on and off, but it's always a good time when you get a chance to go and look for Hot Wheels and, of course, car parts. There were a lot of really cool car parts. I mean, if you were going to build something, there was anything and anything you wanted. Wheels, tires, intake manifolds. Even saw a fiberglass Hemi. It had even a fiberglass transmission. So, but thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV, and until the next time we see you right here, maybe we'll see you at the Pegs, maybe we'll see you at one of the shows like Norwich, and we got to see our buddy Sharky. So, be kind to one another, leave us some messages, leave us some thumbs up, and please share our videos with your friends. See you later. Bye-bye.